Hi everyone, this is an overview of our recent project. The project was about finding data for e-commerce brands in European Union. So the client wanted to outreach these brands to potentially offer them ad management services. So I have also laid out a step-by-step process of how I did the project. So the first step was to source the leads. The leads were sourced from mainly Store Lead and Apollo. So the client had certain criteria and ideal client persona. So I analyzed that and found out our matching leads. Once I had the leads, I had to go through some other series of steps to enrich the data. So first, I had to make sure that I found at least one point of contact for each of the e-commerce brand. Secondly, I had to make sure that the brand was running at least some Google ads, one Google ad, and we also had to categorize on the types of ad they were running. I'll show you in a bit. Thirdly, I had to find a vertical for a brand. A vertical in this case is the type of product or category on which a brand is focusing on. Okay, the final step was to organize the data on sheets. So let me show you the sheet of a fine example of final sheet. So this was a last sheet I did. So as you can see, we have name, full name, first name, last name, website, title, email, obviously of the point of contact, vertical, and branding. The Google ads were found out using adtransparency.google.com. Um, we put our domain and it shows the types of ad the brand is running. So this is a free website everyone can see. Uh, as you can see, this brand is running a shopping ad and also some search ads. So this shopping ad, if a brand is running a shopping ad, it was put into one category, and if a brand is not running a shopping ad and only had search ads, then it was put into a second category. So thank you for your time. This was an overview of the project.